Good morning, children. I hope you all are keeping well at home. Today I am going to explain you lesson 1 of your science subject. The name of the lesson is Growing Plants. We all see plants everywhere around us. They grow everywhere. In fact, they are the most important living organisms on the earth. But have you ever thought that how do plants grow? So this is our first chapter, Growing Plants. In this, I am going to explain you how new plants grow from seeds, what are the different parts of a seed, what is a seed dispersal, what are the different ways of growing plants, and so on. So let's start with the first topic. How do new plants grow? This is at page number 5 of your science book. Most of the plants grow from the seeds. We all know this. And when we sow a seed in the soil, we should be very careful about the essential conditions required for the seeds to germinate. This you must have studied in your class 4. They are proper amount of air, water and warmth. Within few days, the seed sprouts and a seedling appears. The seedling develops root that grows downwards, followed by a shoot which produces the stem and leaves. This is how the baby plant grows. So the main parts of a seed are seed coat, which is the outer hard covering of the seed. It also protects the tiny baby plant, which is called embryo. Second, cotyledon, or you can say it seed leaves, which store the food for the baby plant, and the baby plant is the third main part of the seed. Some plants have one cotyledon, which are called monocot plants, and some have two cotyledons, which are called dicot plants. So at the end of this topic, we are able to understand that germination is the process of conversion of a seed into a seedling. And also we have studied about the main parts of a seed, which are seed coat, cotyledon and baby plant. So let's come to this next topic, which is the seed dispersal. This topic starts at page number 6 of your science book. Children, sometimes when seeds scatter away from the mother plant, that process is called seed dispersal. It can be carried out by wind, water, animal or birds, or by explosion. So till now we have studied that plants grow from seeds, and it is true that most of the plants grow from seeds, but some plants can grow from their body parts. So the growing of plants from their body parts like stem, root or leaf is called vegetative reproduction. Carrot, sweet potato, which we all love to eat, are the examples of plants which grow from their roots. And there are many plants like rose, sugarcane, which can be grown from their stem cuttings. Potato grows from an underground stem that has buds which look like eyes. They give rise to new plants. Some plants such as fern and fungi do not have any flowers. They produce spores which grows into a new plant. So this is all our topic about dispersal of seeds and different ways of growing plants. So let's come to the next topic given on page number 8, growth and development in plants. The growth and development of plants depend on many factors like soil, climate and season. Different plants require different kinds of soil. For example, wheat, jowar and bajra are grown in sandy and irrigated soil of Punjab. However, cotton plants grow best in the black soil. And there are many more examples which are given in your book. Second, different plants are adapted to different climates also. Like coconut trees are adapted to damp and moist climate. Third, seasons also affect the growth of plants. The crops which are grown in winter season, they are called rabi crops. For example, wheat, gram. And the crops which are grown in summer season, they are called kharif crops. For example, rice, jowar, bajra. So this is all about the growth and the development of plants. So let's come to the last topic of our this chapter, how to get a good yield from crops. Till now, we have read about the different factors which play an important role for the growth and development. But along with all these factors, plants also require nutrients in the form of manure like cow dung for their proper growth. So, at last, there are certain tips for a good and healthy crop yield given at page number 10 of your book. We should use healthy and better quality of seeds for sowing. We should always prepare the land well before sowing. Add proper manures and fertilizers to the soil. Irrigate the plants properly. Means we should water the plants properly. We should remove weeds from the fields by using proper insecticides and pesticides to keep the plants pest free. So this is all about our chapter number 1, growing plants, in which we have studied about the different parts of a seed, seed dispersal, other ways of growing plants, how to increase the growth and development of the plants, and tips for a good and healthy crop yield. So I hope children you all have gone through the chapter. Good day and take care of yourself.